Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Rahane and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Now we are going to start chapter number 2, Cascading Style Sheets and JavaScript part 3. Student, in last lecture I taught you how to use JavaScript using text box. Now in this session we are going to learn how to create registration form and how to apply JavaScript on registration form. So let's start, student. Here I am opening Composer. Inside that I have to create first form. So I'm making here form. So go to the form option, define form, form 1, action URL. I don't want because I don't want to go to the second page. That's why I'm keeping here form name form 1. I press OK. Okay. Method I have to write that I select post. Okay. Now here the form name is registration form, that I will write in capital registration form. I will increase the size of the font registration form and I keep it in center. Okay. After that, inside that the first field is first name. So I'm writing here first name, and here I want one text box. So again go to the form option, form field, and the text box name that I will write in small letter first name. Okay. Now next field is last name. So again here I want one text box. From form field I write here field name, that is last name. After that I want to add here one new field, that is gender. So form field, radio button, group name, that is common student. So I write that gender, field name male, and before that I have to write here gender male. One more radio button I want here, so I will go to the form field, radio button, group name, gender, field value female, and here I am writing name is female. Okay, student, understood? Okay, now next field is hobby. Next field is hobby. So I'm writing here hobby. For that I want checkbox. So I will add from here form field, checkbox option. This name is common, so I will write hobby, small letter, student. First hobby is singing, and I write here singing. Now second checkbox, I will choose from form field again checkbox, field name again hobby, that is the common group name for all. I'm writing here hobby dancing, and here also I add the name dancing. After that I add one more checkbox, field name, hobby, field value that is reading. So I write hobby and reading, and here I add reading. Now next field that is address. So here I'm writing address. Here I want text area. So I will choose from here address, field name, address, text area name, row, number of row 5, number of column 30. So address, text area created. Now next field is city, some option and selection list. Now here you have to write city. The first option I am adding here, student keep this thing in mind, because otherwise if you do mistake, the code will not execute. Choose the city, then city. I'm adding here value that is -1. Okay, now my first city name Vapi, second Surat, third Valsad. So I add 3 city I added. I press OK. So you get here checkbox. And for that I'm writing here city. Okay. And after that I want here 2 button, that is submit and reset. So go to the form field, submit button, field name, submit, field value, submit. From again form field, reset button, reset, field value also reset. Okay student, so here your registration form completed. Now we have to add JavaScript. Before that I'm saving this page by name form 1. Okay, page name also form 1, save, replace yes. Okay, so in source code, after the closing title tag I have to write JavaScript. So for that I will write here script tag open and script tag close. Now the function name I not declare it, so before writing script I declare the function name. How to declare it, student? So inside the form double click and go to advanced edit option, JavaScript event. On submit you have to write return validate form, bracket open close. Okay, go to the source option and inside the script tag you make a function here, function validate form, bracket open close, curly bracket open close. Now student, there are 2 text box where we have to write value, so first name and last name, that's why we require 2 variable, and third one is address, there also we are going to write value. So total 1, 2 and 3 variable we will require. So we will go step by step. First we will declare variable x equal to document dot form 1 dot text box name is force name dot value. So in X variable, your first name will be stored. Now your next variable, that is variable Y, equal to document dot form1 dot last name dot value. So your last name will be stored in variable Y. Now for address, variable Z equal to document dot form1 dot address dot value. So here your three variable, in that we are going to store value first name, last name and address. Now first we will check the first variable value, that is if x is equal to null, which we already did in last practical, student, and x equal to blank, then what to execute, student? I will set this curly braces so I will understand easily. Alert message I have to give, please enter the first name, please enter the first name, and after that document dot form1 dot first name dot value focus, because I want this message should be prompt on the browser. So I will write focus bracket open close and return false. Okay, student. So your x variable, the first name work is completed. Now the next one is last name. For that the same code you have to write. That's why I'm copying this code. I will paste over here and just I will change the variable name. In place of x I will write y, and in place of first name I will write last name. Please enter the last name. Let's see this is working or not. We will check this much first. I save this page, I browse it, so I press submit. Please enter the first name. So I'm writing here Shailesh. Please enter the last name. I'm writing here last name. Okay, so this is working, student. Now for radio button I have to write the JavaScript code, but before that I took one variable z for adding address. So for address work we will complete address JavaScript we are going to write now. So same thing you have to write here, z equal to if z equal to blank, then alert message, please enter the address. Okay, student. Now here document dot form1 dot address dot focus and return false. So here your address JavaScript completed. After that I am writing here radio button JavaScript. So if document, that is not a value, I'm not writing, I select the radio button, that's why I have to write here document dot form1 dot gender. Now there is total two value. The first value I consider 0 dot check equal to false. It means if the user not check the radio button, first radio button, as well as if and both condition I want to check here. So here I am writing second condition, document dot form1 dot gender of 1 dot check equal to false. If both the condition false, then write the alert message, alert bracket open close, please choose your gender, male or female. And again, for prompting, document dot form1 dot gender dot focus, bracket open close, and return false. Okay, now if for hobby, again I have to write code, document dot form1 dot, now my hobby checkbox name is hobby, that is the common name, hobby of 0 dot check equal to false, and I'm copying this thing because I have to write it 2 times, so I copy it and again paste, again paste, one more, and this space also I will remove. Okay, now there are total student 3 checkbox, singing, dancing and reading. So here the first value is singing, second is dancing, third is reading. Now all these 3 checkbox, if here I will use option R, because any one checkbox if checked, then no need to check this condition, because it's not compulsory to select all the hobbies. If any one hobby is selected, then it's become true, so no need to go if condition. Okay, now here I have to write alert message, please choose a hobby. Again here document dot form1 dot hobby dot focus, bracket open close semicolon, return false. Okay, so this checkbox code is completed. Now for selection list CT, I have to write the JavaScript code. So I am writing here if document dot form1 dot CT dot value. CT is my selection list or checkbox list drop down list name city dot value equal to -1. Then the message should be from alert, please provide your city and document dot from one dot ct dot focus bracket open close and return false. Let's see, is it working or not? Now your JavaScript work is completed, so I save it, I browse the code, first submit. So please enter the first name Shailesh. Please enter the last name Rahane. Please enter the address. I'm writing your Vapi. Please choose your gender, male or female. So I choose male. Please choose a hobby. After that, please provide your city. So I choose city Vapi. So student, for each element you see here the message prompt by using JavaScript. So here your chapter number 2, that is cascading style sheets and JavaScript is completed. In next lecture we will start third chapter, designing simple website using Composer. Thank you.